Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. In this video, we'll discuss about how to handle dynamic CSS or style for our custom blog. In our last video, we have developed a simple card blog. It includes a simple image, a heading, and a description. And you can see this was our result. And we can add a simple image and give a title. For example, we can call it best card blog. Sorry. And we can also write down a simple description here. Card description goes here. And if we save and see the front end, and you can see it is working fine. So today we want to add a style. For example, we want to style this heading with a simple solid color and a solid color for this description and a simple background color for this container. So if you want to add this, we can follow a different way to add our dynamic style. First and easiest way is to add the dynamic style inline style. That's mean we can pass our style, CSS style directly in the HTML code. So let us follow the easiest way first, then we'll explain how can we handle efficiently with an optimized way. So you can see this is our blog. So let us try to add some attributes for the color. First one is the heading color. We can call the heading color. Definitely it will be a simple string type. And now let us add a color for our description. And then the background color we can call container page. And type is the string for this container also. So let us try to first import all of this information in our editor. I'm in this editor.js. I can call our heading color, description color, and container bg. So we have discussed about the inspector control. That's mean this is the setting panel. So we have to add three colors for our three elements. So to add to the inspector controls, we have to first import the inspector components. Inspector. First, we have to import this from the blocks editor. Let us import this one. And now for creating this panel, something like this, for example. So we have to first create this type of panel so that it looks better. So let us call panel body. Panel body has some essential props. First one is the title. We can call it a card style. And initially we will make it opened or not. So initial open is true. That's mean when we will insert the blog for the first time, or we will load the page for the first time, then this panel will be opened automatically. So we need a simple color options. There are different color components for Gutenberg's. If you go to the Gutenberg's components library, I mean component storybook, Gutenberg component storybook, then you will get this type of component storybook like this. And you will see there are different types of color like color palette, color picker, and some other options. We can load more, or we can open this one and search here for the color. And we see this is the color one. I can also use color picker. This color picker look like this one. So right now we can use this one. That is good enough. Or you can also use a color palette like this. So let's use the color palette. I like this one. So this is a simple component. First we have to import this one. So color palette. If we check out, we'll see that color palettes has some props. First one, the colors. Colors means this color indicators, this bubble are called the stick color. We can pass these colors, or we can keep it temporarily blank. For example, we don't have any color. It is not necessary. But second value is necessary. We have to pass the value. First, we want to call it the heading color. So in onChange function, we have a value and we have to update our attributes from here, like set attributes. Heading color is our value. So first, make sure that you have import it from the components. And let us run our server and give a start. And if we refresh the page to see the changes, you can see it is showing an error. Let me show. Let me see what is happening. You can see this is panel body is not defined. So we have to import the panel body from our component panel body. Okay. Now I can refresh to see the changes. And you can see we have a color picker. If we click, we can pick a color from here. And if we save and refresh, you will see it is working fine. Yes, the data is saved. But if you want to add some color bubbles here, you can simply do it. Like from here, we can add some, like this is the name, white, black, orange, blue. Few colors here. Now go to our editor and try to refresh to see the changes. And you can see there are now 5 color bubbles and we can easily pick the color from here. Now it is time to add the color for description and the background. So follow the same things, like it will be our description color. And similarly, we can call another one as background color. Container BG. And you can see we are typing the colors 3 times. So instead of 3 times, you can create a simple variable outside of the edit function like colors. And now pass this color here. Okay, it's fine. Now if we go to our editor, browser and refresh again to see the changes, and you can see we have 3 colors back palette here. But we can't define this one. That means there is no option to identify this color is for which one element. So we need a header. For example, it is color for the heading. This is for our description and this is background color. We can simply add this one. There is a simple heading component here, heading. It looks something like this. It is an experimental heading. So experimental component, we have to use like this one, experimental way heading. If you see the structure of this heading, it is just simply accept a child element. So in our color palette, we can add this one and make sure this is our, we can call it our heading color, like this. Similarly, we can add another, this is our description color. And last one is our container background. Container background. Okay, now go to our browser and refresh again. And you can see now we can easily identify which color uh, is for which element. So now we can pick a color. For example, our title, the heading color is red. This is a red, but there is no reflection in our content. So how can we handle this one? So we can do simply using inline CSS like a style. A style is an object, so we have to pass this object. And then first one is the key, that's mean color. And second one is the variable of this attribute like heading color. Now if we go to our browser and try to refresh, save and refresh, now we can see our color is changed. We can pick a different color from here also, like pick this color, and it's working fine. But at the front end, it is still not working because we don't add the color at the front end also. So let us add this at the as a function also. So heading color, description color, and container background digit. So first one is our heading color. We can call a style. This is an object, so it is color. We can also pass this value here also, description. Copy the same thing for our edit function, like this. And last one is the background color. So we can add the background color at our top, or make this our container. Background color. Copy this from here and pass it to the sub function. Now our is color is set successfully. Let us try to refresh to see the changes. We can see this container is not defined. This is container, and this is not containated by container BG. So it will be about container BG. Maybe we have the problem, same problem, the edit.js. Okay. I hope now it will work fine. Yes. Now you can change the color, like a description color will be a bit green color, like this one. And change the container background color, for example, I want to make this one. And you can see now it's changed successfully. And if you go to our step function, front end, it is working fine. That's mean we can simply add our simple CSS in the inline style. But it is not a perfect solution for a large scale blog. It can be suitable for a simple blog. So in the next video, we'll discuss about you handle your custom CSS with optimized way so that you can follow the same follow the technique for a large scale or a big scale Gutenberg blog. So if you have any questions, you can let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thank you.